With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this problem it is saying that a disc of capital R and mass of a small capital M is under pure rolling under the action of a force capital F applied at the topmost point as shown in the figure. There is sufficient friction between the disc and the horizontal surface. The acceleration is given as so here in the option we have four options. First option, it is saying that acceleration of center of mass is exactly equal to the F applied upon capital M. It is, and second option, ACM is less than capital F by M, and for third option, ACM is exact, it is greater than F by M, and none of these. So here we have this practical situation. So let's solve this problem here. Its radius, say it is capital R, and its mass already given capital M. So in pure rolling, the friction will act toward this direction. So this is here friction, this is our F. Now here I can write for translation motion, for translational motion I can write here that F minus friction force equal to MACM. Now for rotation I can write net torque equal to I alpha. So here net torque due to all will be F plus this will be Fr plus small fr equal to I about center of mass into alpha. So after modified this formula we can write this can be written as ICM of the disc is half mr square by 2. This is half mr square, or this can be written as ACM by R. So if we solve this, this will get cancelled out and this will become F plus this will comes out to be MACM by 2. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. Now on continuation, if we solve this equation, let's here do 1 plus 2. If we add up two equation here, equation 1 and 2 here, so equation 1 and 2, so after this addition I will get 2F, that will be equal to 3 by 2 ACM. So from here I will get ACM, this will be ACM will be equal to, this will comes out to be 4F by 3M. So clearly here ACM it is greater than F by M. So if we look at the option, our option number third will be correct answer of this given problem. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.